Hey guys, Mark Brown here, Kriete Truck Center, Madison, 608-642-0172. Today here we're walking around one of our 2020 Volvo VNR300s. This truck is equipped with the D13 and the Volvo I-Shift 12-speed transmission. This truck has just been through our shop, inspected, serviced, and is ready to go. We have multiple units available. If you have any questions, give me a call or stop on in the Kriete Truck Center, Madison today to check out this unit or many more that we have available. Also, make sure to check out our website, KrieteTrucks.com, to see a full listing of our inventory. If there's anything at any of our 10 locations you're interested in, give me a call. Have a great day.